Hello and good day. This is the 4-step cure, tip number 10. When you walk out of that sacred space, you keep your head up. You have belief in your heart. You believe that at that moment that you prayed, it's going to bring you steps closer to manifesting everything that you prayed for. You've been thankful. You spoke to your Ori. Now you believe in your heart and you are excited. You know that everything you have just asked for will create itself. Only you can make your dreams come true, your prayers, your wishes. If you believe, feel the energy. I believe. When you walk out of that prayer room, that sacred space, that altar room, you have belief in your heart and your soul and your spirit. And that is my pushing point for today. Please, many blessings to you. And I know you will have a great day.